Hello, and welcome to the Acing Plants channel, where you can learn as much as you want to about plants, and have fun too. Hello, green thumbs and brown thumbs masquerading as green. Whether you're cultivating a lush indoor jungle or just trying to keep a cactus alive, plants can be both a source of joy and frustration. Here are 10 common plant problems and the humorous truths on how to fix them without accidentally turning your home into a plant hospice. When leaves start turning yellow, your plant is trying to tell you something, probably that it's not getting the right amount of light or water. It's like a mood ring, but less 70s chic. Too much water, yellow leaves. Not enough light, also yellow leaves. Solution: adjust watering habits and move your plant closer to a light source, but not too close. If your plant looks sadder than you do on a Monday morning, it likely needs a drink. Droopy leaves can mean underwatering. Give it a thorough watering and watch it perk up like it's just had a double espresso. If there's a white powdery substance on the leaves, your plant has powdery mildew. It's the botanical equivalent of having to go to the DMV, annoying but manageable. Remove affected leaves and improve air circulation. Maybe set up a little fan. Spots on leaves can be fungal or bacterial. Remove the Sherlock Holmes cap. It's not always a mystery needing a magnifying glass. Remove affected leaves and avoid wetting the foliage when watering. Just like gremlins, don't get them wet. Wilting can be a sign of too much love, water, or not enough hugs, root bound. Check the roots. If they're circling the pot like a crowded roundabout, it's time to repot into a bigger home. If you see tiny insects, first, resist the urge to freak out. Spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs don't pay rent. Evict them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Regular showers help too. When your plant stops growing faster than your savings account, it might need more nutrients. Use a balanced fertilizer, but don't overdo it. Think of it as vitamins, not an all-you-can-eat buffet. This is not a desirable trait in plants. Brown tips often signal low humidity. Try a pebble tray or a humidifier to give it that tropical vibe, or occasionally mist the plant, making it feel like it's on a spa day. Leggy plants are reaching for the light. They aren't doing yoga, they need more sunlight. Either move them closer to a light source or consider grow lights. They're like sun tanning beds, but less controversial. If your plant is suffering because it slipped your mind, setting a watering schedule or getting an app to remind you might just save your green buddies. They don't need daily attention, but they don't like being ghosted either. Plants thrive with a bit of attention and care, and yes, sometimes they're high maintenance, but aren't all the best things in life. Keep these tips in mind and you'll turn your botanical bloopers into garden glories in no time. Happy gardening, and remember, talking to your plants isn't weird, it's therapy. If you learned something new or enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!